Medical devices is a significant proportion of our work. Many of our attorneys have experience with medical devices, and we have a very much cross-disciplinary team. Attorneys with backgrounds in chemistry, biochemistry, mechanical engineering and physics, all working on medical device cases for the firm.
Something very good about Adamson-Jones is that there is very much a collaborative atmosphere. I think that very much helps us get the best results for our clients. For example, one of our medical device clients, the device was a electronic device that used software. So dealing with the IP needs of that client required a wide range of skills, but we have those skills in our team. We were all able to work together to get a very good outcome for that client.
Well, our offices in BioCity and Medicity in Nottingham are technical hubs. A significant proportion of businesses handle medical devices. Being in these locations enables our attorneys to have continual interaction with these businesses, understanding their commercial realities and objectives, and be on hand to a large number of businesses to provide often informal advice before actually helping that company move forward with their IP protection. We provide different services to different clients. Those smaller, innovative companies at an early stage of building their IP portfolio, and also ensuring that they have freedom to operate in that area in respect of other people's IP rights. But we also work with more established businesses with significant R&D departments where many innovations are being created, and it's about managing the protection for those innovations and at the same time ensuring freedom to operate by watching competitors, competitor intelligence, and providing advice in that area. Because of our specialism in medical devices, we attract clients and companies from around the UK to provide them with specific advice and guidance in relation to their medical devices. If a company would like to find out a bit more about what we can do to help them with medical device patents, trademarks and general IP advice, please give us a call.